How? You were telling me about this song. What is it? Something about this?
This song? This. It means love forever. Can you do it 2 times?
Let me try. This?
This way.
Let me see. This. This. Oh, this.
Yeah.
I want you to promise me something. Would you do it?
What is it? Enyo. Look at me. You know your wish is my command. And I am all for you.
I want you to promise me you will love me till the end of time.
Enyo. What makes you think I will desert you? Look at me. You have nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing. Read my lips. To fear, huh?
Nothing.
I mean nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah. Go on.
Yes.
See, it is getting late. And I think my mother will be looking for me by now. Let's go. Come on, let me get up and lift you up. Let's go.
Who asked you to chop off my plantain?
Ah, Efo. Have I done something seriously wrong to chop off this plantain? Huh? Anyway, it has blocked the path.
Kokuma? Hey, Kokuma! Oh! Who asked you to use this path?
What else do you expect me to use to my farm?
Brother, don't answer this useless question. It's my father who crept at your farm. Oh, sure.
Hey, Lebanon, mind the way you talk to me, eh? Mind the way you talk to me.
Kokuma, if I don't, what can you do to me? Eh? What can you do to me? I have been trapping you for a very long time. And today of all days, you Kokuma, You are falling very perfectly into my trap.
Efo, talk to your son.
Banka.
Talk to him.
Banka.
What trap have you set for me? You slapped me?
Hey. Don't worry about it. Ba. You do caplate. Votomo. You chop off my plantain and tell me you haven't done it. Go. What do you mean? God damn it! My plantain. What you mean? These things. Next time I can't stand you can't plantain. Papa, what has happened? Why are you running?
Papa, I hope it is not Efo and his stupid son again. Who else? Who else in this village can upset me than Efo and his family?
Papa, when I told you going to let sleeping dogs lie now?
Papa, don't waste your time listening to Ousu. Tell me, what did they do to you? I swear, today is the end of Efo and his family. Liban had the guts to slap me, and then Papa was a princess or Janechi. Today, either I will kill, Efo will kill me, or I will. He who wakes a sleeping dog up must be ready for its backing. I now have the clear opportunity to deal with Lebanon.
Papa, what is the meaning of all these bones and consternations?
Shut up! Bunkers! Someone has slapped your father, and instead of you revenging on his behalf, you are here making a fool of yourself.
Butter!
Thank you, my son. Thank you. I regret he's my firstborn. Owusu, you have to wake up. Wake up, Owusu, wake up. Wait, Jimmy Dodo. I'm going there straight away. Go. Stupid father of yours, huh?
Please, what can we do for you?
What can you do for me? I said, what is that good for nothing father of yours?
Please, he left for the farm about an hour ago.
When he comes, tell him he has bitten more than he can chew. And he has bargained for what he cannot contend.
What has our father done?
Do you want to be part of the game? Huh? Do you want to be part of the game? Huh? When that stupid father and brother of yours comes, tell them I, Kofi Bota, was here. And they shouldn't dare any member of my family. Huh? You hear? Huh?
Koso baba tofu okonwo. Afu vavaga. Mi okpoga.
You are all witnesses to what is going on in this village. They have reopened a healed wound, and I will deal drastically with them.
That is very, very true.
Sure.
But we are going to give them what they did not bargain for.
Sir, and from today, we have rekindled the enmity between me, Afosu, and Kokuma.
Nyalema.
The enmity between her and Shati. We have nothing in common. The only thing we have in common is the heart we have for each other. Therefore,
Papa, why are you making me part of this? I have nothing against Openyukuma and his family.
shut up. Rotola! Shut up! I said Sati and have nothing in common. Hey, if I should catch you together with any of them, Cho, Rokuma kill you. I personally will kill you. Rokuma will kill you. Cho, over for fair.
With all this pressure on us, what are we going to do?
Do you think your father will kill you?
What are we going to do? He sounded more than serious. Oh.
Let's leave everything to
Papa! 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 Everybody show! Papa! Hey!
What are you saying? Hey, you're like this. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Hey, it's the part that's a new pan. Yes, how do you win?
Also, what one if I brought?
Hey, man, I'm here.
Also, when you move now? Papa, we can see this on the movie. What you put on here?
What? I said, next year, no, what? Yo.
Also, now I day and I see
Papa, some of you your mouth. Give me what I got to move.
Also, kind of crap. Hey, also, Papa, do you have anything? No, you let me tell you. Where you let me tell you? Where you let me tell you? I said my baby. Where you let me tell you? Hey, Missy, man, and I'm any of my phone. Yet, time. And Sassia, and then drain our Sassia. I'm ready to be a man with my over son or my Papa. Mimi coffee butter. Me kuno. Wait. Me dem see amuna phone na here sadia we. Hey. Bro, me go potaswa. Me betu tu akoton. Na me ton to mama me rene me mano. Ana anwani abesani. Obashini. Papa, se kai kwa kaso beto buya so an kenam abeta ma me. Ozu. Papa. Ozu ni mo ho hwe. Papa mu sam se. Adai. Papa. Erade. Sibeche nipa. Whoever did this to me will never go scot-free. I will deal with him or her in my own way. Papa, I suspect nobody than Efo and his stupid son. Or Osu, what do you think? But you are right. You are right. Efo and his son did this to me. I, Kokuma, will never forgive them. Now, they have reopened the old wound. They have hit me harder than I thought. None of you will have anything to do with Efo, his family, or the Ewa tribe. People from that tribe are nothing but vicious bunch of people. None of you can make friends with them. So any of you disobey me, I will kill you. I will kill you. Enobua, talk to your children. Talk to them, especially Owusu. Hey, Owusu. He will dare me, but I will not forgive him.
Kuma and Efo, I want the two of you to live in peace. After all, this village is a very small place, and I want all of us to live in harmony.
Odikro, so muntimi church assembly mu nkyerɛn a, mo mo twale nkɔ, muntimi sɛ mre.
Well, as I've already stated, this village is a small place, and we cannot afford to live in acrimony. Efo, Kuma, let this be the last time the two of you are appearing before me.
Odikro, se assembly ni ho biam dia, me sra oni dim, mo djuma bi di. Di mese kwa na mako. Boa, yanko. Come yanko.
Bra, Jojo.
Stop the war.
Hey, listen.
Let's live in peace and harmony. Stop the war. Let's give peace one more chance.
Respect. Together we can stand. Together we can build. Together we can make it. Together we can win. Together we can make it. Together we can stand. Stand for the right.
Boa.
For the right now.
Ana boa. Owusu. Koda Owusu.
Papa.
Aha. Kofi bota wa efa. Friend mama. Snase.
Butter. Coffee butter. Yes, sir.
Prepare from. We did you.
Papa, no send me.
Mon chance. I want all of you to understand that Efo, his family, and his tribe are our enemies. People from Efo's tribe are wicked and malicious. They are like the mamba snake.
Papa, you don't need to remind me of this.
I know. But I need to remind Owusu. Owusu, our tribe and DS have nothing in common. And it is a taboo for an Asante to man an Ewe.
Papa, what at all is the problem between we the Ashantis and the Ewes?
Hey! Owusu, take what I've told you or leave it. Should you have anything to do with Efo or family or his tribe, that will be the end of you. And a minute, that will be the end of you.
Owusu, you must understand your father. Efo's tribe caused the plight of your grandmother just because she refused to marry his uncle.
Stop the war. Let's live in peace and harmony. Stop the war. Let's give peace one more chance.
Angwafo, omuye awudifo papa.
This is the second time I am telling you this in the week. Nobody goes to God for blessing and asks God to bless his enemies. Huh? I have no problem with your mother-in-law, Bani. But you, Selassie, and then you...
Anyo. Never phone your grandma. Magana tonatrio. Magakuto sama. Never talk back kwa. Kokuma for motor we. What we? Nyaka John Fifia. Atam kanyon. Atam kanyon. Me want a crowd.
Hey, I will not be kind to any of you who should be found disobeying what I told you. Look, I will kill any person should any of you go contrary. Should any of you see any of Kokuma's family members in your dream, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Huh? Miss Amy?
We don't have to allow their traits to kill our love for each other.
How can we continue to love each other when the same love undermines our very existence?
And no, you don't worry. There is always a way out. We will schedule our meeting very far away from the village. Huh?
We'll soon be found out. I think it will be in our own interest if we stop seeing each other.
Stop seeing each other. And you know that will not be easy for me. I'm not afraid to die for love.
I cannot afford to die at this age. I am not a happy person at all. Hey, Owusu. It's getting late, and I don't want to raise any suspicion. Please, let's go home.
accepting my red face like a red monkey? Huh? Why I need to start you cocoa searching? If I get you, my damage you, I'll destroy you. Monkey face.
Selassie, why is Efo insisting we should not marry from Openye Kokume's family?
Why? Are you interested in any man from that family?
No, but I need some explanation.
If you are not, why do you need an explanation? We don't have to disobey our parents.
Selassie, are you one of them?
One of who? Me? I don't want to cause any abomination. No.
What abomination? I have clearly seen you are on their side. It's okay. Dada, I am now ready to marry. What am I supposed to do?
Anyo, Bojidi, Esia, Macpil for me at a boom loan. Namanka Caviaresa.
Dada, am I permitted to start searching?
I want some. Alagbo, Gaka Kokuma Papa Maguro. Ow. Blue Toha. Auro.
Why no Asante man? And why no member from Openye Kokume's family?
Anyo, Enya Mahode. Malabe Magad Denyama now. Oh, Asamba Kuma Kaka, oh, Kejo.
Dada, I have not met any man from our tribe that I love. So what am I supposed to do?
Make play blue tall. Nyata kamala mi adomo. Kokuma papa mahana ne mai. Ata malagrona be na gbojidida. Ah.
Then I'll not marry.
Oh. Sakokuma. Ana santifonti na onwalia. Oh, anu be romance sister. Oh. Po. Gakama gakudron. Ba vai de blue tall. I look kokuma papa mato. Samaya nanema aku. Chok ba ji magada funamo. Lenya manti. Nanchu o manya bogbato. Chora nkuma na yi. Pojimura.
Dada,
Anyo,
what is actually going on between our family and Openye Kokume's family?
Anyo nam. Ebianya mama dama na ohode. Nyada kama galio. Ekpanya jode togbe oji afie kuwa. Kokuma ofopo moto. Owi.
Dada,
Okay.
I don't think this is wholly true. There might be some other factors.
Nyakata konyema nyada kama galio. Ejodri afie ku. Yo zube mi ha mi papa ma center. Yo na nyunu ma ha ejadaba. Asama.
So, does it mean there can't be any possible marriage between someone from our family and their family?
Oh, Anyo. Enyo magatrito. Enyo magatrito lo. Enyo maba magatrito. Sa. Nyakata konya mama ba ao. Esama. Maba ao. Davia. Nyaga jojom. Ba. Alo na janya la ko mama. Manya onya bia mala. Na nya bana va janya la ko mama. Kana jira dosia. Esama. Chona nam gachima wonu na macho.
Gachanye. Magoja.
Nama do.
Someone with you. I said, tell me who is that person? Huh?
No.
Hey, then what are you doing here all alone? I suspect there's someone with you. Should I find that person? Both of you will be dead. You are lucky. You have to go home.
Why should I go?
This time, I will kill you.
What has she done again?
Nchokonya klo, mi afonu le fasono dedan.
Iri?
Yakema college be. Ela ahia jam.
Afika.
La fa mama.
Makapakama.
Kokuma wo fo mama.
Over my dead body. Not until I die. It will never happen.
Kanacho, Kaba. Kanachoro.
Oh, I know Olivia and your girl. Hey, but what do you do, Jenny Agoma? A true Olivia. This little Akbar, this girl wants to spoil my appetite. Oh, Bobo, look, I know. I will kill this girl. I know. And you're back there.
Oh.
Kokuma, which of your sons is interested in my daughter? Tell that stupid son of yours to back out. Otherwise, I'll kill him.
Aputo Amrani, which of my responsible sons will be interested in your good-for-nothing daughter?
Ask them, not me. Kokuma, if you don't want to bury them, want them very, very well. Majo.
Koko na minya kwa he.
No, koko, omoyibora.
Me metina me ba awari Amrani. Jise mawu kura me sama kura no empene. Amrani mi ko tia mente. Ejan kwafo pa so de o mo pa. Boa, I want you to ask your sons for me. Which one of them is going out with Effo's daughter?
Your father says, which one of you is going out with Effo's daughter?
Gentlemen, I am demanding for the answer. Papa, you know me. Okay? I will not go out with any woman from that family, let alone Effo's daughter. Papa, if you have any question, ask Owusu.
Owusu, are you going out with Effo's daughter?
Owusu, are you going out with Effo's daughter?
Papa, I'm innocent. I'm innocent of Effo's accusation.
Also, I trust Buddha, but you, I cannot. I am going to set spies on you. Should you be involved with her? Also, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Owusu, you must be very careful. Must be very careful. Oh.
Mama, me call.
Anyo, is your mother telling me the truth or not? Hey, will you answer my question? Hey, get one thing clear. From now, I am going to be monitoring your movements. Sure. Hey. Should you see any shouting man in your dream, open your eyes. I know. Magatem tomorrow, Navak wrong side of me. Don't tempt me to see the wrong side of me here. I have gone here to warn them. Get out of my sight. Baba, get out lah. Sure. Oh, you mean that? Level. Baba, I want you to start monitoring her from now. Follow her every minute of the day.
Merci.
Huh?
Merci.
And you may go to continue your work. Oh, complain like we. Only complain you give. You don't know how to control the game. The two of you will meet me. Sure.
Owusu, with all this pressure on us, what are we going to do?
I've told you to leave everything to posterity. All what we have to do now is not talking to anybody, or even not doing anything suspicious.
See, my mother told me my father is monitoring me. He asked Lebene to follow me.
Me too. Then I think Lebene might be following you to this spot. All what we have to do now is we choose a location. We come and live there individually. Is that right?
I think that is how we can manage it for now. What at all happened between our two families? It might be something terrible.
So I'm told. They don't give us the details. We need to find out the truth. Listen, no matter what my family will do, I will still love you.
Nonye! So you are the Asante dog who's been seeing who be seeing my sister, eh? Eh? You are the one seeing my sister. Look, I won't beat you. How many times have you done the thing? Hey! How many times have you done the thing? Yeah, no.
How long shall we carry on the fighting? How long shall we hate those who can and should be loved by us? No matter where you're coming from the north or south or east or west, nothing matters more than the love we have to share.
Also, hey! Have you been attacked by Efo and his son?
No, Papa. I fell on the rock when I was visiting the traps.
I thought they attacked you. You have to be very careful on this rock, so.
Hey! Cho! Phew! Thank your stars that Lebene gave you that small wound. Next time, I will shoot you dead. I warned you never to get closer to my daughter. Huh? Next time, Cho, you will not survive.
Efo, next time you see him with your daughter, kill him.
I will kill him. Cho.
Waso entikasa.
Can't solve the problem. Oh no, tribal
Mama brego pa. Mama brego. Hey, Owusu, you have reduced me to nothing in front of FO. Did you lie to us? Huh? Fool, did you lie to us? Stupid boy. Today you are finished. Papa. Jamil Fago run it to Nimpin. Next time, Obisiansa. Papa Jai. Simi.
Enyo.
Papa.
Vafi. Enyo.
Papa.
Why did you run away to them? What were you and that Wusu boy doing there? Enyo.
Papa.
Did he do the thing?
Papa, no.
Then what did you run away? What were you doing there?
Me tama bumla, me aba foma.
Shoo, me put it now.
Papa.
Have I given you any job to discuss their family with that Wusu boy?
Oh, Papa.
Then why? Enyo, come
Papa.
Vafi. And
Papa.
didn't I tell you I don't want to see you and that Wusu boy?
Yes, Papa.
I have told you, Enyo, don't tempt me. I will kill you, Enyo. You and your tata will come and meet me here. Sure. I told you that I don't like you and that boy's company. You. What? Keep quiet over there. Manyanko.
What are you doing here? No, it's too dangerous. All eyes are on us.
Owusu, we have to go and see the chief priest tomorrow for protection and explanation to what is going on. Our lives are in more danger now. Owusu. Bye.
What should we do? Should we run away?
Nana.
Yes.
Could you please explain to us the impasse between our two families to us?
The truth behind the problems, all the hatred between your families has never been told for the past 40 years. Now that you have asked me, I must tell the truth. Somewhere in the year
Very soon, we are going to be husband and wife.
Really? Please, would you love me to the end of time?
You still don't believe me? You know what? We will go to the chief priest tomorrow for blood covenant.
What? Blood covenant? Okay. Nana, we've decided to take blood covenant to show our commitment for each other.
You don't need blood covenant to show your commitment for each other.
Nana, I have tried in vain to persuade to change her mind, but she is not convinced.
If you want it done, I will do it for you. But there is a price to pay. Should any one of you fail to honor the promise you made to each other, both of you will go mad. Mubebo dam.
Nana, we don't have any problem with that. Or Doji, do we?
No.
Now, I will need pubic hair from both of you and 2 pieces of gold from your family shrine. Brago.
Yes, Nana.
Banana, why did you ask them to bring no other gold apart from the one from their family shrines?
I said that to prevent them from taking the covenant. Because to get access to the family's shrine was almost impossible. So this is what Birago, you are a very brave woman. How did you manage to get them from the shrine? How did you?
Nana, I'm not called Brago for nothing. If I want something, no matter the consequence, I go for it.
Good. If we give you the opportunity, you can kill a lion. Now give me the hair. Now, I will need your blood. It will be used to seal the bond. Now let me ask you for the last time. Do you people understand what you are asking for? Should one of you decide not to marry, both of you will go mad. Do you agree to that? Huh?
Nana, we agree.
Now, bring your hands, let me take the blood. Yeah.
Tutu Jago, the fearful one. Am I measure preview? Am I measure preview? Am I measure Tutu Jago? Oh no, come for ya! Oh no, come for no chicken yo, opening yo.
Take it. Throw it into a river. And in the course of doing that, hold each other firmly.
Nana, thanks very much. We shall forever be grateful to you.
Am I measure preview? Am I measure preview? Am I measure Tutu Jago?
Dada, thank you very much.
My dog Benada dance here. Hey, I don't dance it. That's a Santa. Hey, see.
I think by now you have consulted all the parties involved.
Yes, I have. So you have come for the answer.
Hey, Akwe.
Efo, there is a problem.
What is it?
Unfortunately, the marriage cannot come on as agreed.
Any special reason?
Efo, I'm very sorry to disappoint you. After careful consideration, the marriage cannot come on as agreed on the grounds that your hometown is far. So, should anything happen and you have to travel to your hometown, it will give us a problem.
But that is not a problem. Openi, I think that is not reasonable. How can you deny the marriage on the grounds of proximity disadvantage?
Openi,
let's call a spade a spade. Therefore, the problem is not only the distance.
What else?
We don't want our daughter to marry from your tribe. Our tribe and your tribe cannot mix.
How?
Therefore, we come from a superior tribe.
Then?
And it will almost be a taboo to sanction this marriage.
Oh.
In fact, we are sorry. You must try to understand.
Penny, have you thought of your actions? Have you thought about your actions? Should anything happen, don't blame anybody. Don't blame me. I'm a cow. Joe! Me not tell me akpo. Me not tell me akpo.
Brago, you should stop seeing that boy. Men from that tribe are not good.
Papa, do you have any example to substantiate your point?
Hey, Brago, he is your father. If he says no, it is no.
Papa, that is not fair. I'll marry him.
I said no.
Papa, I love Doji. I'll marry him. I love Doji. Doji, I love you.
What is happening?
Dada, qual é o ódio? Qual é o ódio? Le non ta, non mi faut boire de ta. Qual é o ódio? Me tapa. Joba. Ne la chance au blow. Adikadu edu. Me tapa. Adikadu edu. Jobi bia, passer ma boabo. Jobi bia, passer ma boabo. Anya goma na lesia. Anya me goma lesia. Me ba nya me goma lesia.
Dada, what have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? It can't job.
Oh, you are? Babu, I told you, our daughter is paying for her action. Hey, Dada, what have we done wrong? For refusing our daughter to marry her son? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Hey, only Bangunani. What is up here? But if I timu da, Apanaba, Namudia Jimano.
Mumba Jaham come before some will be a Matami. Mumba Jaham come before some be a Matami.
Nana Kanswa, and what I'm going to need that.
I was right. Because I did not allow our daughter to marry your son. You go ahead and kill her. Kill her! Oh, kill her!
Hey!
Kill her!
Hey! Musate for Mufisa Mua drink to Obia. Now I am a banner Jimmy. Now for Ubano, Fakoma Bama for Wale. Eh? As a sato, me pogala, and ya, true.
Davy, let me tell you, none of our descendants will be allowed to marry from your wicked, callous and inferior tribe. Me probi manawa meba anwunani anwunato ya nuwa ne say nambe mo check mo. It will never happen. It will never happen.
Agafaka. Agafaka.
Bebe the kukula. No.
Nana, having known the truth now, can we set the record straight?
I will not encourage you to do that, but rather encourage them to come and see me. I still have the 2 pieces of gold Birago brought to me. The 2 pieces of gold they brought to me. Also,
Nana,
go and ask your father to come and see me.
Yes, Nana.
Nana, does it also mean we can continue to love each other?
Of course you do. You do. You do. You couldn't get anybody to move with apart from this Shadi boy. Foolish no, come on there. Damn it. a man, he should come here. Foolish.
Also, is that you? Yeah. You open up the window.
Also, I've been locked up by my father.
Is it at the entrance of the door? Open up the window.
I can't open the window.
Let me see what I can do.
Okay.
Taking just like that. See, come be here. We'll see where you're going to come from. Nonsense. Oh.
running away from this village.
Where are we going?
We are going to my cousin in Kumasi. Let's go.
Uzu, if it is for this reason that you ran away, I can't accommodate you here.
Bafu, you must understand.
Uzu, we must treat the family with honor and respect. And if you want to plow the family's rules and traditions, I, Bafu, have no ambition to be part of it.
Please, Bafu. Please try to understand me.
Understand what? Please, I want to sleep. And I can't leave my gate open. Please, I will beg you to leave. I said leave! Leave! Yeah, Bafu, I'm a family radio. Uber Pebe Biada, Uvisa, you are money to do.
Hang far. I know, Vafi. The next time I see you at that Wusu boy, Torokoma kill you. I'll just kill you. So I know. Don't be stubborn là, Vafi. I know. If I come in there and meet you there, it will not be good for you, Kron. I know Mama to go Vafi.
Okay. Okay. Magbrona be na ona gbojidi na devia. Devia vovombe avagbo unke nyajo.
Enya be fi omega ton semo. She is becoming very very stubborn.
Nyento mareve unke.
Na funu ne.
Ah,
talk to her.
Enyo namu. Madaku na dogo na va fofo mo poga osa enyo. Vinya. Enyo namu. Nyento mareve.
Aja chulu mwamena.
Enyo vinyanyo namla adora enyo amono balo
mutoto amono ulokia
amono va afo enyo mele homo enyo maba vara enyo mele homo
enyo mele homo. I will kill somebody today, Mama Ugapa. Hey, Mama, Jimmy Topana, Mama Ugapa.
Enyo bula. Enyo. Mala hono.
Missing Mamla. I know Ponke. Mama. Mama Ugapa. True.
Enyo.
Call your jumper now.
Mama, mon bumi, gome mi va dia.
Call your jumper, Venara. Vous souvenez, Antonia? Tout, viens, ma via. Hey, get me my jumper.
You
You will meet me there.
What are you people doing here? Hurry up and leave this campus. Hey! Hurry up!
MFA. Oh, what's the problem?
Hurry up and leave this place.
Meet the cuckoo now. Miapo mojiji. Me Jojo gese. Meet the cuckoo now.
Abegota niya.
Marakuwe.
Nkowede.
Marakunya nkwenya nyuna.
Yeah, you got it.
My name is Wine, and this is my wife. She's called Emifa. You know, we also had a similar problem. My parents just wouldn't agree just because she happened to be an Ewe. Don't worry. I will do everything I can to make life comfortable for you.
Thank you, Mr. Boy.
You're welcome.
Mr. Boy, may God bless you.
I'm very sorry for my behavior. Anyway, if you think this is the man you love, then you have to stand firm. Don't let anybody discourage you, okay? Huh? I don't know the meaning of all this tribalism. But I have no choice. We need to cope with it. Anyway, I promise to do anything to make you happy. Everything. Okay? Promise you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sister Emifa.
Also, I think we the Ashantis have some wrong impressions about Ewes. Say, Mare Amunania, and coming in some way so good. And you're good and wow. I mean, baby, a boss. Well, my dear, so why don't you take them to the boys' quarters so that at least they can change into something better?
Selassie.
Papa.
Si non je dois boire. Majiboy manya, mi tututa, and you malabayamo. Should explain where Anyo is now.
Dada. Afu abanka. Abanka. Leka mawe anya. Maya untonto ede homoa. Maya untonto ede homoa. Leka mawe anya. Ehefo.
This a new girl. Tu vois tous les black sheep là, ne go to demain là. On est au vignon. Where is that Wusu boy toi?
Papa, I learned he too has run away. His father sacked him.
Run away?
Eh.
Sure. Kokuma has to produce my daughter right now. That Wusu boy has to bring my daughter presently. I am going right to Kokuma's house. Me have my fifi like.
Efo Bobanai.
Mungejo.
Efo. Ma hiyan bena yi Kokuma. Wa papa ma fifi layo.
Jilori. Jilori.
Banka.
Do you know better than me? Bonui. Menen mani mi gra ko me fian. Man yo gan okron. Ma tengyo. Fafe.
Hey, Kokuma. Na do ni adi sa.
No one Jim. I have nothing to worry about.
What was your source of worry?
Efo, of course. We've also now out of this village. Oh, I have no opportunity to encounter Efo and any person from his tribe again.
Don't say that. Usu is your first son.
Enobua, you want it? Huh? You want it? Babu Kwakase, Sound Sabako Hawa, touching it. I am better off without him as a son. She. Now I can sleep in peace. What will you do?
He said he was going to inspect the trap.
Okay. Anyway, prepare my favorite dish for me today. Eh?
They wouldn't have to. Yeah, me fa kurumantu.
Someone can say no. Me can't tell say I'm going to majam kumadi. Enobua. Me say me can't tell say I'm going to majam kumadi. Medi kuma pempe mama ngofo adi bi die. Enobua, enkuman pon fa ne ho. Tibiem. Medi kuma pempe mama ngofo adi bi die. Enkuman pon fa ne ho.
Tell me why.
Kaka, the most important thing ever, we have to go to Kokuma's house and tell him our peace of mind with immediate alacrity.
That's true. Toga. I didn't want to go to Kokuma's house because when I talk, it's going to be very, very bloody. That is why I sent for you. All I want him to do is to produce my daughter. You understand?
Yes. In fact, what he and his family have seen in this family that they don't want to leave us alone, I don't understand. The whole thing is very nonsense for me. And if it is true, that that Wusu boy took our daughter away, it will be bloody.
Yeah,
it will be bloody.
Uncle, I want Oda to stay behind.
Stay behind.
Because normally I don't have any patience.
So,
because what I'm going to do there is going to be very, very bloody because it's a man's job. That's a lassie.
Can I do it?
Stay with your mother.
Can I do it? I walk in the miajo. I'm going to deal with him. Discipline man over.
Enobua. You be say obusa efo ya oti wo ise. Anyam bia amafo okuma nyina no. Me hwe omo so na. Na sie ni se so obusa ne baba no. Asefri mo. Busa na mam.
Obisa mo.
Toga. Si oro kuma gboba. Nyanya, I don't want to talk. If I do, it is going to be very, very bloody.
Oh, me amini ho.
Akokuma. Where has your son Wusu gone to? Where has he gone to?
The Wusu crowd already are there.
Kuna tell me keep pinching no. Ganyo. I don't want you to ask me such a useless question.
Who is useless? Makenya useless affair. Look, I will deal with you. I will deal with you to be bloody. Look, you know why I have been walking barefooted? Look, I can deal with you.
Ganyo, wait to be bloody. Unim nyansa papa.
Cho ha Jimmy.
Unim.
Abruto mo bodi akwa ni ya ma Jimmy.
Leave my house.
Man leave your house alaka.
I
will deal with you.
Leave my house.
I'm not leaving. Cho.
Leave my house.
Cho. Leave my house. Push me down.
Leave my house.
Leave
Leave my house.
If I get out,
leave my house.
If I get up, I'll deal with you.
Leave my house.
I'll deal with you.
What's that?
Look, let me go and get my son and come back. I'll deal with you. Go, I'm a fool with the other lady.
I'm a fool. You're someone now. You're pet. My Jim Papa. Você me passa de novo. Você me conta coisa, eu me sumo, você me passa de novo.
I'm not for no man, no. You better try them.
I'll put on me. Kokuma. Omo timi nyame hu, me conta coisa, chama mamko. I'm for timi nyame hwe. A Jimmy Foster for me, omo timi bibi.
It will come, my uncle.
If you accept that you have relatives in the city, then why don't you simply do what Efo is requesting you to do?
Adikro. Abrutong nyala na nyala. Magro no shai. You are very, very sensible, I tell you.
Odikro, you mean I should accompany this Amnani to Kumasi and look for his daughter? Yes, sir.
Simple. Yes. Very simple.
Odikro, why judge are watching him? You know what you want, sir? There's a word you know. Can't you say? Me, I saw Amnani way and go Kumasi question about Sani Santi Obusano. Say Anyambi and Papa Nico Kumasano, or Baba Kamiana.
Kokuma, don't be too difficult. This is a very simple issue, so we don't need to drag it. If you insist on not going to the city with Efo, that will be wrong.
I want to be wrong.
Odikro. Inti asama woni edi enti eye. Se Efo ne baswa tu kwanyu swaye o. Ye ne ne nkwane kopen man.
I can see you have taken some money from Efo.
Yapa. Sure. Kokuma, how can you accuse me of taking bread from Efo?
Odikro. Se Efo shem fumwa. Anka unka nchira mse mimi no enko Kumasi. Ko hwe ne baba. Se ne sewuti. Na me san wani wey ebom enko Kumasi a. Kame fa ne nu bajifu mo na me twe say. Sure. Me nim se sako se sewuti no mo friend ba ha o. Se ka me nim wa mama. Se sewuti. Ne Efo. Enko Kumasi ko hwe. Apu. Eh, go na tie. Eno bua. Mo be se me enko. Jum. Odikro. Me ke Kumasi this yo. Me nye Kumasi this. Kache Efo no se. Onko Kumasi. Odu Kumasi ke jetia. Onfa de no say kon. Me baba ira o hwe no. Am na me si obi ase me baba ira. O chia.
Oh, Kokuma. How can you talk like that to a Dikro? A cautious. Oh, how to porno. Discipline our family.
Discipline our family.
Look, the man can't clear the forest on his face and he said he goes go to clear me in the bush.
So
listen to him. Listen.
True. Kokuma. Se wanantu eye kese sen wosira. Na yare wom. Se unima.
Oda. I am traveling like I said to see my sick uncle. Imagine a claw.
Papa, I'm watching a canoe. Gaka, and Yami blow. Naronkuji.
Oh, Oda, Mazori, your son cannot wait to see the woman he's going to marry.
Lebene, Nyonuvima, for me, you are the Melcho. Etama was a benefit for Bona.
Oh, okay. Madam, whatever is possible now, play. Madam,
But don't worry, sir. Leave everything to me. Okay. Hold on, let me show you. Are you? Let me annoy you.
I'll not cry you. Yo, Messi.
Will you marry me?
I have no problem, but...
But what?
Your father. He's a litigant, you know.
Look, my father has no problem with you. His only problem was with the Ewes. With Ozu no more with us. That is a thing of the past.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Your father, dear, I don't trust him. I even learned he has a problem with Dodikro.
All these have got nothing to do with you. My father's only problem is that he does not kowtow to nonsense. And because of this, everybody calls him a bad man.
Okay, if you say so. Debbie.
Also, I am really impressed. You have not disgraced me. You have made good use of the money I gave you. God has really blessed you.
Mr. Boy, it is true the Lord has blessed me and my family. But you have also been a blessing in my life. And I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
We don't know what to tell you again. You are everything to us. May God richly bless you.
You're welcome.
Oh, when you Papa, bless you. Panama. It's no one. Let me not live in it. I got not made a cat when I see you. Fifia, they to be very okay for it. One of my best no hope. Make a number of getting when I see you. Let me in Yaki Amucho no Blavenga, a Tomenu, and a Tomenu. Unka. If I'm not made a one other than you are blessing you to be well.
And I was thinking, why don't you come in and invest in our company since now you don't know? Okay. Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Make a number of getting blow a plane at you. Number the back when I like bad down, it's a yama.
Hawa, the dam of Bagatona. Banama.
Not then, when I'm medical.
Mama, Najiba Maba or Mokaka and Miabo.
Oh, let me come up on that. Yeah. Why so angry?
Why did you buy these vegetables?
From a menu. Why?
Give them to me. Give them to me. Never buy anything from her again.
What's the problem? Or do you have any special reason?
Just obey what I've told you. I'm taking them back to her.
Ish.
Look, woman, never sell anything of yours to my wife again. Huh?
Why?
Nepin!
I sell to anybody who comes and buy from me. Or are they not good?
Well, for your information, go, we are money, and I'm so many years at me. Me no need Chakabia. Chan want to be here, mammy. So what?
Please, come for your money. I can't take your money.
What can some about them? Jama, what do you say about them? Sika, what will you do? Zaka, me magic. Maybe I tell fat. Any chance in me, you're fat.
Oh.
Busy came out of the nama. Oh, I know damn how I get up.
Where's Zolo?
Oh, yeah. So how was market today?
Oh.
Okay, like Ashamari.
And Yolo. For another joy. You must go.
Now, Beshiak Bocon, a Beshiak on Anagajo, a bankejo.
Butter.
You mean butter from this village?
Butter. His wife came to buy some items. And he returned them and asked me never to sell anything to her again.
You sold the vegetables to Butter's wife. Amenyo, is that what you're telling me? That you sold my vegetables? My vegetables to Butter's wife? Oh. Don't you ever don't repeat it. This should be the last time we are talking about this thing. Imagine no more. I come here, boy, my father brought you for you to cook for me and to give me children, not to ask me questions. This thing is up for discussion. Find out. No, no, no. My Butter's wife. Yeah, I don't know. Never I don't know. I ain't said I am nonsense. Butter's wife.
It will be over my dead body. It will be over my dead body to ever dream of loving you. You. Beleman Angurek. Study Kabana and I do fiscus.
I don't know one day came Magana. Kai Awuni Zambali Skachkin Kuning.
Let's catch him back in a
man tired as Natuna Kayel the Don't ever think of that because it is highly impossible. It will be a talboo for my trap to marry from your trap. Alekia haram money.
Haram is a kenki.
Mezami the coup. Back at the Lafia hole. Dubashi.
I overheard what both of you were saying. And you are wrong.
Todd and later, one guy Magana the back understand. Donny Princess Ine. I come from a ruling class in my hometown. According to the history in the olden days, our town people who were until then a close alliance betrayed people from our hometown in terms of war. Because of this, our ancestors militated Talbu never to have anything to do with them. Don't you want Magana they bay in your bay in go bay? Bay is some haram money.
Haram is a kenki. Director, Sadia's tribe and town people feel too superior. How could you just drag my ancestors to war without explaining issues to them? Ajiminioni. Mira Muideku. Sergeant! Ajiminioni princess. After them.
Let me make one thing clear to both of you. I hope you know my wife and I come from two different tribes. There is a strong hatred from each of our tribes. But upon everything, we still decided to marry. sometimes we hate each other just because we are afraid of each other. We are afraid of each other just because we don't understand each other. We don't understand each other just because we feel we are always and always right. But when we start to intermarry from any tribe without an exception, all this suspicion will reduce. And listen, don't be part of an event that happened a long time before you were born. That's no good.
Bota.
Minta.
Why did you say that I should not be in good terms with Samania?
Minta. It is not everything that I can explain to you. Just simply do as I have told you.
Mira, I cannot just do whatever you tell me to do. You have to give me some reasons. At least I must be convinced.
Minta, I said it is not everything that I can explain to you. I am your husband, and you must do whatever I deem right.
Bota, I have now realized you want to make me part of your litigation with the Ewes. But let me tell you, I'm not part of your family. You
are part of it. You are part of it. Courtesy of my marriage to you. Now that you are my wife, every decision my family makes.
Hey! Binds who? Binds who? Don't make me part of this. Don't make me part of this. That is what I talked to you about before I married you.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Are you alright?
Oh, stop crying and take her home, eh? She'll be alright. I'm coming soon. Oh. Hey. I enjoy the technical. Hey. See, I'm into it. Walk it, you could. Send them a room. What I want you to come. Let me be on me. I mean, a bucket equal. Nipper Bewood, the bucket is a night.
Marry a chill cook. 3 hours, I'm body.
Oh, Dada. Okay. Oh,
I'm in your look to it. Why she wait?
I'm in your Laffy.
Cho! I'm in your. I finished said, can't you take up this small girl? At your age, can't you take up this small girl? How did it happen? How did it happen?
Be Minta, Bote's wife.
we would have lost Afi.
What? You mean Bote's wife rescued my daughter?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Oh, Amanyo! Amanyo! Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? Huh? How could you allow Bote's wife to touch my child? Anya!
Do you mean I should have stopped her from rescuing Afi?
Of course, exactly! Phil! That is what I mean. I prefer Afi to die in the river than to allow any member of Kukume's family to touch my daughter.
Lebene!
It's just disgrace.
Lebene Kwajidi, Magala Fukokumao. Menya nu via vai de via chiama.
Ow. Dada Amaguno. Let me deal with the situation.
Mabena Kwajidi, nu makata wonele susuna kamalemo.
Amanyo want to respect me. Amanyo manyebumo. Asomanya bumo. I will not sit down for her to do that, no. I am an everyman. I discipline my family. Now go tell you also Poga, menu. How can let our sentiment save my daughter? If the Ashantis will sit down for the one to beat them all over the village, not me, not me. She has disgraced me. I don't come. Now the Ashantis will laugh at myself. Oh, what I say. Ashanti man says my daughter. Never do it. Don't my sure. John McGonagall. Bafi, mama, down. Koshia. Nara. Kabuli. Abu. What's your wife? What's your wife? Hey. Wouldn't just say, who won't be fear, Mama? What do you want her for? She has gone to farm. Good. Tell her. Warn her, but I warn her. Look, next time she wants to save somebody's daughter, not my child, don't want her to save my daughter again. There are a lot of children in this village you can save. Why do you want to worry me? Why do you want to save my daughter? Madoya, did I send her? If my daughter decides to drown the river, Rokamia. Rokamia. I don't want that, you know. I don't want to kill somebody. So I'll kill one her. Next time, I won't take her in fair. Next time she does that thing, one her, I won't take it very easily. My damage, my destroy, my discipline. Cause she take a certain man. Go ask your grandfather, Rojimia. Cause I voa konanara. But in your Pluto, that down. Next time I see her, next time. But then, cause she a stupid boy. But konanara. Down, Mama, go to grandma. I'll be there. This is what I'll do. What at all should I tell Minta? So that she can understand me. Woman, when you're away. Nipa mu last grade way. Wa ba me fia be didi matem. Minta. Obaba ba tumi ha. Minta. Bra. Haven't I warned you not to have anything doing with Efo and a stupid family?
What have I done wrong?
Don't annoy me! Don't annoy me! You've given that idiot the opportunity to come to my house and talk to me anyhow. Woman, anyway. Finifia be me free. I bet it matem. Say Saintra. Why did you save Lebanese child?
Look at you. Look at you. And what did I do wrong in rescuing her?
There's everything wrong with what you did. There is everything wrong with what you did. Look. Since what the young new qua. What's Antini Efa Ben? Efa Ben. We have nothing in common. Look, this is the last time I'm talking to you on this subject.
I could not allow the child die because of the litigation between your family and their family. That would have been ungodly. Momo come talk on your family.
You walk it away.
And soon the Nico.
Minta! Woman swap family, woman swap and pocket.
mad at Minta.
Adey. Ah, Kuvi. Ye nyambotre kakra. Edebe poti na waye.
She has started to flirt with Efo. She has started to flirt with Efo's family. How could you go to the extent of saving Lebanese child from being drowned? Nasa kwa siampanyi no. Mi na nsuo fa mi bokiti no. Mani amere. Wanya oba. Waba abedi di matem poto.
Sa? Kuvi. De nyabotre. Mentazima wo kan die. Maybe she doesn't understand the situation. I will explain it to her. What?
Mate.
Why? Because Kunanti Waba. You. But what do you answer about that? You.
Why did you allow that woman to serve your child?
Efo. Echinyo de vialam.
Shut up. She don't fear. Don't talk back when I am talking. Aminu, I brought you to this village. You have really disgraced me. Aminu, don't question whatever thing I ask you to do. SME.
Efo, what is really the problem between you and Openyi Kokume's family? Takelejo.
Aminu, don't behave like my daughter Enyunam who ran away. I cannot explain everything to you. Seven.
For saving my child. But my sister, what is really the problem between Efo's family and Kokume's family?
Sister, only God knows. I can't understand them. Just say, me dream who am in Tiasi.
You crying, Mr. Gomole.
Woman, they say, I'm about that, and I actually mounts one change. Then nobody jumped to say,
Hey, Neta, what are you doing here? Haven't I warned you never to talk to this woman again?
Butter, don't I have the right to do what I want? I have told you, I don't want to be part of your litigation. There's some crime.
Let's go. Now!
Take Lady, I will come.
Will you comply or not? Will you comply or not? Will you comply or not?
Hey, what the? Hey, why are you not coming home? Huh? Huh? Now come on, sit down. Fina unam wangwa se wangwa boa. E china biem. Ma chi manso atwa. This is your food. Eat. Hey, aren't you eating? Huh? Who near the other? I mean, I would dear the show.
Look at my officer. Eh? Please. I
beg you. It was not intentional.
I beg you. I
beg you.
Look at your intentional. What will you do now? Well, no more. Eh? Me, what you have got on. I beg you. Huh? Yeah, if it's a
your brother, lucky.
We be got la fia ko go futonera. Eh?
Hey, young man. Powerful, is that you?
No. Please beg him for me. Please.
With the cuckoo now say. Sonya bano vienye. With the cuckoo now. Sonya ba brother nye.
Beg you, please.
With the cuckoo now. No vienye. Tami the cuckoo. Quick come say.
Bevionya.
The cuckoo. But manya.
Kimeko.
Thank you.
Dark now, mom.
Me dark now say.
Thank you very much.
Also, I'm sorry I couldn't assist you when you called on me. I was blinded by tribal sentiment.
Anyway, maybe if you had not treated us that way, we wouldn't have worked very hard to merit what we have now.
Please, forgive me and accept my sincere apology.
Some chums that sign a lebene who you stars and all of them.
Papa, what is the matter?
Where is your wife?
I don't know where she has gone to. Why? Do you need
needed to do something for you.
Buta. Nyawire kasatre papa. Nyan kasatre pa.
What has she done wrong?
Go and see her with that Ewe girl conversing. What did I tell you to tell her? Huh?
Papa, that girl has grown horns. I can no longer control her.
Sure. Unimi kokuma eh. Unimi papa. So unimu wa omusa basebe be free. Sure. Afeno di akuma ekwa nyina. Na sa afeno di akuma ekwa nyina dia. Wonka hu se. Sekantie we no eje ne hu ewa pofransem. So what? Mentor, I want you to explain to us what you were doing with that girl.
Minta, I have taken pains to explain to you the conditions between the two families. Why do you still want to flirt with them?
Mentor, ade unim kasa. What were you doing with that girl?
Papa, I don't want to be part of this litigation. Please don't drag me into it.
Don't say that, Minta. You are Kofi Buta's wife. You now belong to this family. Our enemies are your enemies. And our loved ones are automatically your loved ones.
Mommy, please, I have no intention to be part of this feud with Efo and his family. Please spare me.
Nonsense. Nonsense. Leave my house immediately.
Kokuma, don't worry. I have already decided to leave your house. Your son here is as useless as you are. Like father, like son. I can't marry him again anyway. Leave my house, leave my house. Is this a house? Nonsense house.
Hey, leave my house. I said leave my house. Hey, go. Hey.
Don't leave my house.
Go. Jimmy. So. Huh? Wait, Jimmy. Wait, Jimmy. What up, Mama? I said, wait, Jimmy.
Ah, Bobo.
Oh, Manu! What are you doing? He's dealing with my enemy. Oh, the Vianya who got you killing her. Oh, the Vianya killing her. The milk. Uraba, do go for me. Leave my house! My man. Amanu, what are you get one here? Hey, do you know that I brought you to this village? You know that? Now what are you doing? Amanu, maybe I kill man.
How long shall we carry on the fighting? How long shall we endure?
Rabani, Papa, I want Amanu to explain what she has done to us now.
Manufoga, what you talk? Look, If you know you can't talk or you don't want to talk, Evo, it is better we send them back to where it came from.
Takwema, you're alright. You. I am taking you back tomorrow morning. I said, we can no more accommodate you here.
Efo, I think you don't need to waste your money on transport. I have decided to live on my own.
And if you leave this village or this house, where do you think you're going?
Oh! Don't I have the right to live at wherever I want?
They're not in this village.
Definitely.
No.
True. Mr. Africa. Not in this village. No, not in this village. No, you can't stay in this village.
Definitely.
No, ma. I'm matured enough to make my own decision. No one can decide for me. I'm staying right here in this village. I'm not moving an inch. Why do you want to drag everybody into your litigation with Kokume's family? Not me, Monyo. Majo.
That's it now. So, I finish. Manya worry. I can brutal nonsense. Don't get here. What the song over the so close. Papa.
All this is your fault.
Papa Nkimo.
You are not showing her body. You training you. You are not showing her that you see my wife here. You see my wife here. When I talk, she keep quiet because she know what I can do. You disgrace me. You are not a man. You see my wife here?
Jana Mato, Winnie, Kapo. You've fallen perfectly into the trap. Bra. Winnie,
Number 2. I go some girl. Butter. 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 If I open my sack at you. Let me get up. This is your blow. Let me get up. Oh, lie down.
Jane, me too, sir. Me too.
Mama, Nyalila. Butter. If I get you, you'll be miserable. Lie down, wait for my coming. I'm just tired. Butter, I'm all disciplined over there. You just wait for me, let me get up.
God has been good to us.
Oh yeah? Anytime I try to recount how far we've come, I begin to appreciate God the more.
We've been successful now. We didn't know what we were coming to do in the city. But look at us now. Look.
Hey, Owusu. So, you have deliberately refused to see me?
No. You always come here just to attack me. Why?
Oh.
You let me give you something. Make yourself comfortable here.
Thank you. So, how are you, Enyo?
I am fine, by the grace of God. What about you?
I'm fine. You people have survived all the pressure. In fact, you have really proven to me what love can do. Love transcends tribal sentiments. Asante.
Yeah, we have to prove people wrong. Especially those who tow strong tribal lines.
I wish you every success that you may need.
Thank you.
Some.
So how is work?
Everything is moving smooth.
That is my work. And yo, in fact, you surprised me. That is good.
That's really what life is all about. Yes. Enyo.
Yes, my dear.
We have been in the city for over 10 years now. And I think it's about time we visit our parents in the village. I hope by now all pains might have been forgotten.
Do you think these hardened litigants will soften their stance and accept us? No, I don't think so.
I strongly believe so, Enyo. We will go to Mr. Boahin's house this evening and ask him and his wife to accompany us to the village. What do you think about that?
Well, that won't be a bad idea.
Daddy.
Sifa.
When are you taking me to my grandparents?
Sifa, I'll take you there.
I want to see them.
I will take you there.
I want to see them.
Jifa, Daddy said he's going to take us to the village. Don't worry, eat your food.
Come on, finish up.
Eat your food, we'll go to the village.
Get them water.
Oh, thank you. We are okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you come from this village? I have never seen you two before.
No, but we have a message from the city for you.
Me?
Yes.
But I don't know nobody in the city. It is only my daughter who disappeared about 12 years ago. Nobody knows where she is now.
Anyo, nkadim nelela piama.
Anyo, Wusu. Anyo, what do you want here? Anyo, what do you want here again? I don't want to see your face. Wusu, get out of it. Leave my compound. Wusu, Maba, leave my compound. Wusu, leave.
Oh, please. Take it easy. Don't send them away. We have come for reconciliation.
Nyada kamelio, miega gbogbomo. Asama, nyada kamelio, miega gbogbomo. La piama.
Don't say that. If your child defecates on your lap, you don't amputate it. Please,
yes,
just
you
listen to
only
us.
clean it.
We are here with your daughter, Enyo, and your granddaughter, Jifa, named after you. Please, Jifa, come and greet your grandparents.
Mama, you can't never done your job. Don't home, Beblata. Kotanya Belvoke. Then you jago cookie.
Nothing, Gofia. Get up from there. Look at his small face like her mother's face. Get up.
I'm on the way too.
So?
My name is Emefa. I'm from Petwe, from Agbamavi family. Suno nyeki, mi de miano noa, pewi nyeki. Inyade keme jore nye kwa kuli domekpo.
Lady, you've been married for 18 years. And so before you got married, didn't your parents approve of the marriage? So what are you telling me now? Do you come from this village? No. You two, do you come from this village? Do you know what happened before I said they should not get married? I don't like that nonsense. This is my house. Sit down.
Oh, please.
Mama, sit down. Please. Don't come and tell me no nonsense here. Sit down. Or you leave my compound.
Try to forgive and forgive.
Forgive and forgive. Look, don't come and talk any rubbish about. Sit down. No, but sit down.
I form a back ah. Eta blue tobe. What to me too, young should go for ration. The Via boy about the okay.
No. You want to talk to me too? You are giving me a proverb in three. I don't like that. Look, you must be very careful. Look, Bumara. Are you the one to come and apologize on her behalf? Does she know that she has done anything wrong? Sure. My friend. Did you know that you will come and Dakuku before you went to doing the thing with him without my consent? And get up from here! Get up from here! Try to make a gentleman. You to get out. This is my compound. Leave my compound. Get out. Did you know before you want to do the thing with him? Get out of here. Oh, please. Please. Do you know what happened? You say you don't come for this place. Do you know what happened? No, I told her no nonsense in my house. Get out. Get out. Go more. Sure, fair. But get out. Wusu, leave my compound. The money Jimo. Sure. God damn it, now, Monsieur. Come on, True. Man, yeah. Ah, j'avais un carton dans rien. Dans oui, True.
Papa, you are going to shine for Jimmy.
Ago. Amen.
Yeah, Mama, do what we say.
Yeah.
Papa, I said go. Papa.
Kokuma.
Papa. I said go. Papa.
Kokuma.
I don't want to see your face.
Papa. Kokuma.
Go. Papa. You bastard. Papa.
Kokuma nyabo tre.
Papa. Papa. I said go. Papa. Papa.
Kokuma.
Papa.
Kokuma siabo tre.
Na. Papa cho. Wani bia mefa padi ayo bia. Papa chano. Papa cho. Minyo bia ka uwa mefrane na. Papa cho. Papa cho.
We saw why our friend Nana.
She's my daughter.
Please. For whatever misunderstanding that has gone on for all these years, it is only the chief priest who can tell us the truth.
I said go! Papa. Papa.
Hey! Hey! Hey. Hey.
This is what happened.
Nana, we've decided to take blood covenant to show our commitment for each other.
You don't need blood covenant to show your commitment for each other.
Nana, I have tried in vain to persuade to change her mind, but she is not convinced.
If you want it done, I will do it for you. But there is a price to pay. Should any one of you fail to honor the promise you made to each other, both of you will go mad.
Nana, we don't have any problem with that. Or Doji, do we?
No.
Now, I will need pubic hair from both of you and 2 pieces of gold from your family shrine. Brago.
Miss Nana.
Birago, you are a very brave woman. How did you manage to get them from the shrine? How did you?
Nana, I'm not called Brago for nothing. If I want something, no matter the consequence, I go for it.
Good. If we give you the opportunity, you can kill a lion. Now give me the hair. I will need your blood. It will be used to seal the bond. Now let me ask you for the last time. Do you people understand what you are asking for? Should one of you decide not to marry, both of you will go mad. Do you agree to that? Huh?
Nana, we agree.
Now, bring your hands, let me take the blood. Yeah. Jago, the fearful one.
Am I make a video? Am I make a video? Am I make a video? Oh no, come for ya! Oh no, come for no chicken! Opening you.
Take it. Throw it into a river. And in the course of doing that, hold each other firm.
Bravo. You should stop seeing that boy. Men from that tribe are not good.
Papa, do you have any example to substantiate your point? Hey, Bravo, he is your father. If he says no, it is no. Papa, that is not fair. I'll marry him.
I said no.
Papa, I love Doji. I'll marry him. Hey, mommy. I love Doji. Marry him. Doji, I love you. What is happening?
Dada. Kwale wo dojira. Ebe kwale wo dojira. Le nyonu ta, nyonu e ko bo adeta. Kwale wo dojira. Me tama wo. Jogba. Nyegba shanti so, oblo adikado mi aduma. Me tama wo. Afisi afika mi po mero le. Adikado mi aduma. Chofifia fasere ma fo. Chofifia fasere ma fo. Anya gbo ma le sia. Enya me gbo sia. Me ba nya me gbo sia.
Dada no wa here. Dada, what have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? What have you done to our daughter? Enkejo. Abonina maye no na mo ba no wanya swaketua.
Oh, you are Babu. I told you, our daughter is paying for her action. Hey, Dada, what have you done wrong? For refusing our daughter to marry your son? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Hey, only Bangani. What is up here? What is Timu da? Agwanagwa, Namudia Jim Bano.
Mumba Jaham come for some be a matami. Mumba Jaham come for some be a matami.
Nana Kaswa, and what I'm going to need da.
Open. I was right. Because I did not allow our daughter to marry your son. You go ahead and kill her. Kill her! Kill her! Hey! Kill her! Musante fomu fisa mu adwin ti obia. Na aya me ba no jimi. Na fa wo ba no fa ko ma ba ma fofa wa wale. Esa santo. Me kogela. Anya. Choo! Davi, let me tell you, none of our descendants will be allowed to marry from your wicked, careless and inferior tribe. Me probi mana wa anwunani. Anwunato. Ya no one say nambe. Mo check mo. It will never happen. It will never happen.
Ndese mafia. Ndese mafia. Ndese mafia.
Na zo bede. Mo bede.
Abanye la.
Mo bede.
Anga fo mo.
O bravo bada. Ama uto. Follow me on the fira. Me ko le.
Wo bede.
Wo fira. Follow me on the fira. Papa. Dala mo fere ntuba.
Abanye la. Let's go. Let's go.
Yakamo. Amba bada yakamo. Ajo. Follow me ko fira.
But didi. Me de kuko. Jo.
Mama.
Me. Me. Anyo.
Aga fako. Aga mo aga fako.
Me de kukula.
That is the whole truth.
These are the 2 pieces of gold. These are the 2 pieces of gold that Birago brought. Take them. Take them. Take them. Take them. Now, you must all live in peace. Huh?
My daughter.
Papa.
I am very sorry. I never knew this.
Oh. Papa.
Baba Sia.
Yo.
Vinho. Babayo. Baba Sia.
Osu. Osu. Please forgive me.
Forgive you, Papa.
And take me as your father.
Kokuma, Efo. Fauda dino mami. Kokuma, Efo. Kokuma, Efo. Mo wada ne kosia. Fa bibia to nkyɛnse a